Once again, welcome back, children. Okay, good morning. So, last class we have seen conversion from simple to complex and from complex to simple. Okay, and today we'll see the next remaining conversion, which is from simple to compound and compound reverse to simple, and also from compound to complex. Also, we'll see. Okay, so first we'll start with simple to compound. Simple to compound. Okay, simple to compound examples. In addition to an office assistant, we need a superintendent also. In addition to the clerk, easy ones, clerk, we need a supervisor also. Supervisor also. Okay, so in addition to the clerk, we need a supervisor also. So this is a simple sentence. We know that need only one verb is there. Okay, so this has to be converted to a compound sentence. So we know that this part where the verb is not there, this part also has to be converted to a main clause, and we need to add up an coordinating conjunction. Okay, so that is also needed. So what which is a coordinating conjunction? Not only but also we know that both things are needed. Okay, in addition to the clerk also needed, supervisor also needed. Okay, so we can use not only but also. We need not only a clerk but also a supervisor. Understood? Okay, we need not only a clerk but also a supervisor. And don't think that only one verb is here, because we know that the subject is same. That is why subject and verb we are not repeating again. So when you split the sentences, how will it be? We need a clerk, we need a supervisor. Okay, so when you split it, we can see that both sentences, both main clauses, you will have two separate subjects and two separate verbs will be there. As the verb and subject is same only, we just skipped it off and we used only once. We need not only a clerk but also a supervisor. Okay, so not only but also we have used, and we have converted this simple sentence to a compound sentence. Okay, and next example. Yes, he had all the certificates for the job except experience. He had all the eligibility for the job except experience. And we know very well that what is mostly needed for a job, experience is needed. Okay, of course qualification is not a qualification. On top of qualification, if you are an experienced person, you will get an added advantage. Okay, so he had all the eligibility for the job, so he is well qualified for the job, but she lacks or he lacks experience. Understood? So this is the had. Okay, so this is a simple sentence. So how will you convert this to a compound sentence? He had all the eligibility for the experience, but he had all the eligibility for the job, but he doesn't have, or he had no experience. Okay, he had no experience. Okay, so he had all the eligibility for the job except experience. He had all the eligibility for the job, but he had no experience. So conjunction came, and here had, he had. Okay, two verbs are also there. Understood? So simple is converted to a compound sentence. Next example is yes. In addition to talent, you need stamina also. In addition Okay, same as this one. Okay, in addition to talent, you need stamina also. So I hope this answer is known to all of you. Stamina also. So this sentence, how will you convert to compound? You need not only talent but also stamina. Okay, very simple one. Okay, next one. With all his resourcefulness, he did not help me. So with these examples, I think that things are getting clear to all of you. Okay, I hope so. Okay, so with all his resourcefulness, he did not help me. With all his resourcefulness, he had the provision to help me, but he didn't help. Okay, with all his resourcefulness, he did not help me. So this part verb is there, but this part with also all his resourcefulness, verb is not there. It's the phrasal part. That part should be converted to a main clause. Okay. So he had all his resourcefulness, but he did not help me. Okay, he had all his resourcefulness, but he did not help me. But is the conjunction and two main clauses. Okay, and next one, switching off the light, she went to bed. Switching off the light, she went to bed. Here verb is there, this part verb is not there. So conversion, she switched off the light. She switched off. So working. Okay, switched off the light and mainly fan was. Okay, and went to bed. And she went to bed. That is understood. Okay, need not repeat the subject again. Okay. In spite of bad weather, they succeed in reaching the top. Okay, that is same but only. Yeah, one with four will do. He suffered losses on account of being inexperienced. He suffered losses on being inexperienced. So you understood that here this ing form can be converted to a main verb. Here already main verb is there. He suffered losses for he was inexperienced. Understood? He suffered losses for he was inexperienced. This is how we will convert the simple sentence to a compound sentence. Okay, and this is simple one only, simple to compound. As I have told you, only one main clause will be there. This phrasal part should be converted to a main clause and add a coordinating conjunction. Okay. Okay. Now compound to simple we will see. Compound sentences already coordinating conjunction will be there and two main clauses will be there. So what you have to do is that one of the main clauses you have to convert to a phrase so that it will become a simple sentence. Understood? Okay, compound to simple. Okay. Yes, compound to simple. Yeah, he is not only a good counselor. With not only if the sentence comes, how will you convert that to simple? Okay. He is not only a good counselor. He is not only a good counselor, one who advises. This is a counselor. Okay, counselor, but also very generous. But also very generous. Okay, so not only but also is there. So we have already studied how we will convert. Okay, in addition to being a good counselor, he is also very generous. Okay, and another way also for you to write, besides being a good counselor, he is very generous also. Okay, he is also very generous. Okay, so he is not only a good counselor but also very generous. Besides being a good counselor, comma, he is also very generous. That is one way. Or else, in addition to being a good counselor, he is also very generous. Okay. And next question is, the judge found no concrete evidence against him. He therefore acquitted him. The judge found no concrete evidence against him. He therefore acquitted him. Acquitted means released him. Okay, from the punishment. So therefore is a conjunction. Okay, acquitted, one verb is there. Found, another verb is also there. Okay, so this is a compound sentence, and how will you convert? Finding ing. Okay, finding, one of the main clauses you have to convert. Okay, finding no concrete evidence. This is the gerund form. Finding no concrete evidence against him, he was found. So, past form. Okay, he was acquitted. Understood? Okay, finding no concrete evidence against him. Okay, sorry. Judge is there. Judge will mention. The judge acquitted him. The judge acquitted him. Okay, the judge found no concrete evidence against him. He therefore acquitted him. Finding no concrete evidence against him, comma, the judge acquitted him. Okay, so here we can see that finding no concrete evidence against him. There is no verb here, even though it's a lengthy phrase. Okay, acquitted, only one verb is there. Okay, and another one compound. Yes, you must give a fast food or you will not lose weight. You must give up fast food, which most of you people like, right? Give up fast food or you will not lose weight. Will not lose weight. So, or conjunction, will not lose, and here must give up. Okay, so here two verbs and conjunction is there. So this we have to convert to a simple sentence. And you must give up fast food or you will not lose weight. So how will you convert that? You must, to simple. Again, you must give up fast food. You will not lose weight. To lose weight, you must give up fast food to lose weight, to infinitive. Okay, we have used to infinitive. Okay, so you must give a fast food or you will not lose weight. You must give a fast food to lose weight. So this part became to infinitive and only one main verb is there. Understood, children? Okay, so this is how the conversion from compound to simple. Okay. And I hope all these transformations are clear to all of you. Sufficient examples I have shown you. So if you go through all these examples very attentively, you can easily convert any kind of sentence to the other kind. Okay, simple to complex or complex to simple. All these conversions are very easy for you. Okay, and one more example I will give you on conversion from compound to simple. Uh, yes, the weather was bad, but they succeeded in reaching the top. The weather was bad, but they succeeded in reaching the top. Okay, so here weather was bad, but was succeeded. So how will you convert that? In spite of. Okay, so with in spite of we can, in spite of bad weather, they succeeded in reaching the top. Understood? Okay, so simple to compound we have seen, and compound to simple also we have seen. Okay, now last one more section, complex, which is not there in your book, but still just have a knowledge of that also. Okay, complex to compound, where main clause and subclause will be there in the question, and you are asked to convert that subclause to a main clause. Simple. If you know all this, the other thing is also very simple for you. He expresses a desire, compound to complex. He expresses a desire and it was fulfilled. Okay, was fulfilled and expresses. So this is a compound sentence. Okay. Okay, how will you convert this? He expressed a desire and it was fulfilled as soon as, subordinating conjunction. As soon as he expresses a desire, it was fulfilled. Yeah, some of your wishes are fulfilled very quickly by your parents, isn't it? So he expressed a desire and it was fulfilled. As soon as he expressed a desire, it was fulfilled. So here, this is a subclause, verb is there, and this is the main clause. Yeah. And he wanted to reduce his weight and joined a gym. He wanted to reduce the weight and joined a gym. Okay, so how will you convert this? He wanted to reduce the weight and joined a gym. He joined a gym because reason. Okay, what is the reason for joining in the gym? Joined the gym because he wanted to reduce weight. Okay, reason, adverb clause of reason. Okay, because we have used it. So compound to complex. Okay, next example. Yeah, farmers should use pesticides, otherwise the crops will be damaged. Okay. The farmers should use pesticides, otherwise the crops will be damaged. So otherwise conjunction will be damaged and should. Okay, so the two main verbs, conjunction is there, compound sentence. So how will you convert this? Okay, so how will you convert this? You can use if. If the farmers do not use pesticides, the crops will be damaged. Understood? The farmers should use pesticides, otherwise the crops will be damaged. Here, if the farmers do not use pesticides, the crops will be damaged. Okay, so if clause of condition, on what condition the crops will be damaged? If they do not use pesticides. Okay, so this is how the conversion from compound to complex. So we have seen first assertive to exclamatory and a reverse exclamatory to assertive, then structure wise sentences, simple to complex, complex to simple, then simple to compound, compound to simple, and compound to complex.